I accidentally cut the video, so this is part 2. Putting more coffee in there. 2. Looking spicy. I mean, good. Mixed it all in. Ew, this looks disgusting. Another one eating it. Okay, look how patient he's waiting for his food. Looking, help. Who cares? This looks disgusting! Meanwhile, how Taos was passing, waiting his food. Get ready. Oh boy, I hope it tastes good. They say this is the best restaurant from ever. Hey, Toad? What happened? This is the best restaurant ever you have ever tasted or like eaten from?
Yeah, best restaurant ever.
Why are you still here?
No reasons for that. I'm still here waiting for food. I want more soup. More soup. More soup.
Oh, that was hilarious, I guess.
Hilarious? That was even more than hilarious. So
3 hours later. Let me put some parsley. How this is called. It's gonna love it. And some the special salt. Come on up. There we go. It looks like diarrhea. He's gonna eat it. Who's fighting over there? Let's mix it real quickly before he doesn't notice it. I'm gonna see it was poured from the soup. Ooh, man, he's gonna like it. Man, let me hide that there. Not gonna lie though, it's kind of smelling like shit though. Oh shit, wait, oh no. A biggie spoon for he eat it all. boy. Hey, Tails, here's your food. I said stop playing. I mean, stop fighting. What the hell?
give me that food.
That's not your food. That's for him. There's your food, Tails. Go ahead and eat it, and I will take those. By the way, hey, they're not all of those. Who cares? This is the special meal I give you. Oh boy, I'm disgusted by this. Man, guess I have to try it. You see, this was the special meal. Where it looks like poop. Okay, this is me trying this special meal. Nothing looks nice, but kind of smells like shit. But yeah, you know, let me just eat it. God. Oh no! Oh boy. Is that a bean? What is going on here? The end of Chef Knuckles. Thanks for watching, I guess.